Dieser Slogan, nie wieder Faschismus, funktioniert heute irgendwie nicht mehr. Wir brauchen einen neuen Slogan, der wirklich das auf den Punkt bringt, was heute passiert. Und deshalb habe ich überhaupt zugesagt, heute Abend wieder hier zu stehen. Und wegen dem Geld.
When we were children we held little toy guns. Now we are 18, we're gonna hold the real ones. It's not like we want to, but we don't have a choice. It's because everybody wants to kill us, even if they say they don't.
There is no two narratives. You have facts, you have truth. You have them oppressing my people for over 70 years. It's black and white, zero shades of grey.
I think politics nowadays is confusing.
Anti-Semitism is like porn. When you see it, you recognize it.
You know what? For you today, I am the Jew.
About the Holocaust, the Germans shall speak. About the Nakba, the Israelis shall speak.
I think that Germans talked about the Holocaust enough.
I cannot have the final solution for everything.
The kinetic vertical two-state solution offers a dynamic movement solution, so that the floors of each state would rotate in a very slow cycle.
And I know that no matter how open-minded, polyamoric, BO you pretend to be, you always were and always will be Nazi!
No, Ayala, I'm sorry.